Today we discuss PPSC जिलेदार कंप्लीट टेस्ट पेपर हेल्ड ऑन जो 29/6/2025 को हुआ था। इसके MCQs को डिस्कस करेंगे, इवनिंग पेपर को डिस्कस करेंगे। विच कंट्री फर्स्ट एवर इलेक्टेड प्रेसिडेंट आफ्टर रिप्लेसिंग द ब्रिटिश monarchy? Barbados. Several computer linked to server to share program and storage space network. Which among the following launched the first fully private astronaut mission to the International Space Station? SpaceX. Headquarters of International Olympic Committee located in Switzerland. The Pakistan Initiatives for Mothers and Newborn was designed to work for mother maternity. Jerry Hayward from Dash won top scorer award in Men's Hockey World Cup 2023. Australia. Through the mediation of Dash Tashkent agreement held between India and Pakistan in 1966. Soviet Union. The United Nations Framework Convention on Climate Change deals with greenhouse gases emissions mitigation. Law of gravity was given by Newton. पानी वानी रोटी वोटी खलक मलक में कवायद की रूह से और दूसरे लफ्ज़ को कहेंगे मामल. Deficiency of which element causes gout disease? Iodine. The real name of Abu Jahl was Dash bin Hashim. How many times Nawaz Sharif became the Prime Minister of Pakistan? 3. Deficiency of vitamin D results in rickets. Who discovered the 3 laws of motion? Newton. Waqarul Mulk was the Dash of Aligarh Institute. Secretary. Alibaba Group found in 1999. Who was the Prime Minister of India at the time of Tashkent Agreement? Lal Bahadur Shastri. The first Prime Minister of Pakistan was Liaquat Ali Khan. Which one is the most suitable reason to use macro in MS Office, Word, Excel, PPT, etc. to automate repetitive tasks? In which year did the British government annex Punjab? 1849. Who chose the name of Pakistan? Chaudhry Rahmat Ali. After becoming Governor General, Quaid-e-Azam visited which country first? United Kingdom. Who was the first Finance Minister of Pakistan? Malak Ghulam Muhammad. Famous player Suhail Abbas is associated with which sport? Hockey. Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam arranged education for whom due to his intellectual level? Hazrat Hafsa radhiyallahu ta'ala anha. Louvre Museum is located in Paris. All India Muslim Students Federation was founded in which city? Calcutta. The Residential Imperial Taiwan Tower located in which country? India. When was the famous Faisal Mosque on Islamabad completed? 1886. In Excel, what is the function of the F11 key? What was the theme of Tokyo Olympics 2020? United by Emotion. बेनील मराम से क्या मुराद है? नामो नामुराद. Two or more computers connected to each other for sharing information from a network. The name of world's third largest mountain is Kangchenjunga. Ibn Battuta, the famous Muslim explorer who came to India during reign of Muhammad bin Tughlaq, belonged to which country? Morocco. The bacteria or fungi belongs to group of biotic component known as decomposer. The dearest place in the world is Atacama Desert. जब नबी करीम सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम ने हिजरत के छठे साल उम्रे के लिए मक्का मुकरमा जाने का इरादा फरमाया तो तकरीबन कितने सहाबा आप सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम के साथ जाने के लिए तैयार हुए? 1500. इब्न बतूता was born in which country? Morocco. The locomotory organ of Calypodonus is flagella. इनमें से कौन सी ज़र्ब मिसल ठीक है? पांचों उंगलियां घी में और सर कढ़ाई में. A word used to modify a verb or an adjective is called adverb. In which year did the Shimla deputation meet the British Vice Lord Manto? 1906. Who was born inside the Kaaba? Hazrat Ali रज़ियल्लाहु ताला अन्हु. Pakistan purchased Gwadar port from which country? Oman. US imposed 60 million tariff on which country? China. Who holds the key to Kaaba? Hazrat Usman bin Talha रज़ियल्लाहु ताला अन्हु. Idiom on the fence means undecided. As per UN World Economic Situation and Prospectus Report, economy of Pakistan will grow how much in 2025? 2.3%. Who is the current president of Syria? Ahmad al-Shara. Which country won the most medals in the Tokyo 2020 Olympics held in 2021? United States of America. Which of the following is used in fire extinguisher? Carbon dioxide. The average height of sub-Himalayas 600 to 1200 meters. The State Bank Museum and Art Gallery established in year 2004. The synonyms of insolvent is bankrupt. How many tangents can be drawn to a circle? Infinity. तहकीके मजल्ला बुनियाद is published by which university? National University of Modern Language. Namal. Who is the correct meaning of the word distress and upset? In which year was the All India Muslim Student Federation established? 1937. Which of the following are locomotor structure used by bacteria? flagella. Which of the following leads to a single link between the host and the destination in a network? Point-to-point connection. Faisal Masjid was constructed in 1986. When was the first prayer held there? 1988.